It's Ron back here from Ron Brown's YouTube channel. And, I discuss, a lot of drones, action cameras, tech in general. But today kind of is a drone video. You've all heard of the DJI flip drone, the latest kind of selfie follow me drone from DJI, kind of following up on the Neo. It's been out for a couple weeks now, and I've got a full video come up that I'll link down below here, but I actually haven't got my flip in yet. But I did receive the StartRC case for the flip. So I didn't want to make, sorry, I put my thing over my mouth here for a second, I hope it didn't go away. I kind of didn't want to make everybody wait for who knows how long until I get the drone in to show the case off, because a lot of people are looking for a case now, because, I know if you order the Fly More combo with the flip, you get a case, but that Fly More combo is like maybe $800 or maybe even more, where the basic kit that most people are getting for $439 does not come with any type of a case. So this may be just what you're looking for here. So StartRC has a series of these cases for the current DJI drones. This kind of gray, this dark gray look to it, and this is has a like a suitcase handle up top here. It has a little tape on it here. Let's see if I can rip it off. Not making too much of a fuss. So yeah, it has that suitcase handle on it. The back is plain. Of course, you saw the StartRC logo on the front. And here's what the bottom of the case looks like, just kind of plain. It has, along with the handles, it has a double zipper. With the StartRC, logo on in red. A lot of red and black accents here. So we're going to get this unzipped here with the double zippers. Get it all the way open up. Okay, here you go. And a lot of people like these type of cases because you could, once you open that lid up, you can see everything that you have in your kit here. You don't have to move stuff around or dig down. Everything's just laid out there flat for you. So let me get more of a top-down shot here, maybe in a second here. Maybe you can see everything. Right up here has a mesh type of pocket up here. Has another zipper. Again, these are real nice zippers here. Has a a space here to put cables and wires and little doodads and knickknacks or whatever. Another StartRC brand logo here. Okay, and here is the shoulder strap, and I will show you how to put that on kind of in a second here. So we'll put that to the side right now. Looks like you get some cards here. This is just a white spacer card, and this is a little StartRC kind of logo here. I don't think it's just average qualified. So it's a certified. I guess it's been checked by somebody at StartRC. So let me kind of give you more of a top down here, less looking at me. Okay, so here's all the compartments here. Again, apologize, I don't have the drone at this time here. If I do get the drone in, I'll come back and redo the video here. So let's see here. This slot here is for the drone over here. The drone sort of folds down like a Star Wars walker from Empire Strikes Back, and it kind of, this would be the feet, that it would fold down to make it look like the walker. So you'd put it, this is like the camera up here, and then this is the back, and this is where it all folds down into what looks like a feet if you stand it up. Looks like a walker. And also it looks like they have a little space down below here to put something down there too, unless the drone takes that spot up, but I think that's just extra storage. And over here you have a compartment for your controller. Now the drone will fly with either the DJI RC-N3 and 2 or the DJI RC2 controller here. So I'm not sure if those will fit all those controllers, or I think most people are going to ask, does it fit the DJI RC2? And I actually have an RC2. I will be back in a minute to see if that fits here. But let me move on here. Here is a slot here, I think, for your probably maybe your battery hub, because I think this comes with a little four battery charging hub. Probably goes in here, and it looks like over here maybe there's room for 2 other batteries besides the ones that would go in a 4 battery hub. And this slot over here, I guess, would be for your charger, you know, your charging brick over here. So let me go get the controllers and see if they fit in here. Okay, here I'm back with, this is the DJI, this is the RC N2. So it will fit down in there, you know, it fits way down in there, but it fits perfectly, and you know, it fits, you know, kind of tight enough that it won't move around much. And here is the DJI RC2 with these names. So let's see how this would fit in here. And this also fits. So it fits both type of controllers. No matter which controller you're going to use, it fits in here. So that's very nice. It fits in perfect. Doesn't move around much, and you know, comes out. You know, fits in there tight. I'm having trouble getting it out. I probably press it down too hard, but it does fit. And it looks like if you put this one in, you'll have a little room in the bottom for some storage too. So, okay, that's the good news. It fits both the controllers, the RC2 and the, you know, RC-N2. So that's very good, because a lot of people, you know, always ask me about, the first question I ask these cases is, which controllers does it fit? So, you know, and sometimes, you know, in the hard case, they provide different cutouts, but of course in this non-hard case, you know, there is no cutouts to remove. So yeah, that kind of covers it all here. One last thing before I go. On the side here is your rings here for your strap. So you have, you just put them on like this. And the other one on this side like this. These are, you see, I like the way they go right on. And of course it has a little buckle in the middle here, so you can adjust the strap how far you want the case to hang down, you know, on your side, front, back, however you're carrying it, you know, whether you want it real low, you want it high, you know, it depends on your height, your weight, and so on. So that's it. This is the StartRC. You know, I'm going to say, you know, not hard shell case, but it's also not like a soft bag either. It's a hybrid of a hard case and a soft bag, you know, and it kind of got a stylish and whatever, you know, and, you know, it's got kind of everything you need here. It holds, you know, basically everything from the Fly More combo and plus some other goodies along the way. And the good news is it's available on Amazon.com. Right now, if you're a Prime member, you get the free shipping. It's $39.99, but it has a clickable coupon, I believe, for 20% off right now. So that would bring it down into the lower 30s if you use the coupon code. I don't know how long that coupon is good for, how long it'll last, but it's clickable. You don't need any numbers from me. So for just a little over $30, you can get some nice protection in a stylish case for your DJI flip drone and accessories. So that's it for today. If you got anything out of this video, please give me the thumbs up, the like, you know, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member. Ring that bell so you'll know when I post new videos on YouTube about, you know, various drone accessories, action camera accessories, tech in general. And I want to thank you once again for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one, folks.